Hey y'all, it is 10 a.m. and I got me a nice little salad here with some bell peppers, shredded lettuce, carrots, a little bit of shredded turkey, and then this really good Walmart brand, Great Value Chipotle dressing. It's 10 a.m. But I'm hungry, so I had to prop it up so y'all could see it, but enjoy the salad crunch because I'm about to get down on this. All right. I got a busy day. And because I got a busy day, I need to make sure I stay fueled up. I had to think about it. I'm like, why am I so hungry? But then I had to remember, I'm not a big dinner person. So I do eat my heaviest meal of the day in the middle of the day. A lot of times I go live and film me fixing it. But then after that, for the rest of the day, I just kind of snack here and there. So it would make sense that I'm this hungry this early. So I have a napkin. So I ain't looking all crazy. Got eggs on it. I pulled the lettuce from the bottom to get some dressing on it. And is it just me, or are the days starting to fly by now that it's getting lighter? I feel like the days should feel like they're longer. They actually feel like they're shorter. I'm making a spot for the dressing so I can get my bell peppers. Have some. Great Value did their big one with this. I usually frown up at Great Value products, but I feel like over the years, it's starting to be better quality. I don't know if that's the same for you, but you know, you get food and it's so good. If you start looking in the container or looking on the plate. Oh, not me spilling stuff on the puzzle box. All right, I'm gonna share because I feel like I'm being rude. This stuff is spicy, but it's good. Have some Chipotle. Yes. Yeah, take a big bite. Mm-hmm. I didn't even come down here for this. I came down here because I needed to do a 2-factor authentication on my phone, and my phone was down here. I'm at the age now where I start doing something, I come downstairs for one thing, and before you know it, I done started something else. So, oh my goodness. I also need to find some time. Well, not find some time, make some time. Or should I say be intentional about? That's it. I think I need to be intentional about, I want to talk with food in my mouth. Sitting down and getting these done. Valentine's stuff for the kids' class. It's been sitting on the counter as a reminder. Like, hey, those need to get done. It's just the time, man. Time. So I'm trying to operate on a little schedule today. And I've already blown the schedule by sitting down to eat a salad when I should be working. But I can't work on an empty stomach. And I really can't work on a full stomach. So I'm hoping this don't like put me over the edge where I go upstairs and see the couch and be like, let me just lay down for a second. Excuse me. I'm getting full. I can't put this in the fridge because it's got dressing all over it. That's what I get for having long eyes. Since it's salad, I don't mind trying to pack it in a little bit. Oh my God, it's nearly finished though. It serves the purpose though. Serves the purpose. I would you probably can't see because it's the front facing camera. Chipotle ranch. Not just Chipotle. Spicy. Look at the cat back there. No good and well. We ain't supposed to be up there. All right, y'all. I think I did a pretty good job on that. I think so. Till next time. Till next time.